and it worked in his favor. Score is now 86, Somalia 74, Tanzania. 12-point lead for Somalia, and Tanzania are slowly but surely chipping away.
And don't we have a game on our hands? Haji just deflating this Tanzanian side. And that's the most nonchalant three-point I've ever seen in my life, Ali Muhammad. And fatigue is a factor here for Tanzania.
I think this would be a good time for a timeout to be called by the Tanzania head coach. Somalia have found the momentum. It's a nice putback from Mahad Haji, who was the